Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change an Audi A6 mirror. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a trim removal tool and a T25 torque screwdriver. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel. This step is crucial for accessing the mirror's mounting bolts and electrical connections. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips or wiring. Once the panel is off, you can proceed to disconnect the mirror's electrical connector. With the door panel removed, locate the three T25 Torx bolts that hold the mirror assembly in place. Carefully unscrew these bolts, making sure not to drop them inside the door. Once the bolts are loose, you can gently pull the old mirror away from the door frame. Before installing the new mirror, take a moment to inspect the mounting area. Ensure there is no debris or damage that could affect the new mirror's fit or function. Now, take your new Audi A6 mirror and carefully position it onto the door frame, aligning the mounting holes. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly into place for proper mirror function. Then, insert and tighten the three T25 Torx bolts to secure the new mirror assembly. Make sure they are snug but do not over-tighten, as this could strip the threads or crack the housing. Test the mirror's adjustments before reassembling the door. Finally, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips align and engage properly. Give it a firm but gentle push to secure it. Once the panel is back on, test all functions of your new mirror, including power adjustments, heating, and turn signals if applicable. This ensures everything is working correctly before you hit the road. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.